Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about how thankful I am and what I am thankful for. This year, of course, I have been working on getting my hair in shape, making peace with my hair. I think that is my theme, of making peace with my hair. And I would say that I have made a lot of progress. And thanks to Morrocco Method, it has been eye-opening and a really pleasant journey to learn about how to better care for my hair and to use more natural products on my hair so that it can be as healthy as it can be. And I always have felt like I just have to work with what I have. I suppose everybody does, but I have always kind of fought with my hair or ignored it, and I feel like this year, at least since maybe May or June, I have been paying a lot more attention to it, babying it, brushing it, massaging my scalp, doing all the oiling it, doing the mask, doing all the different shampoos that Morrocco Method has sent me and suggests that I use. And so I feel really thankful that I've been able to make a habit of caring for my hair. And I really like all the products. I've really enjoyed using all the shampoos. I think my favorite is the Euro oil. I like brushing my hair. I like massaging my scalp. I feel like my hair is beginning to get thicker, more like maybe more hair is growing, not so thin. So I am just really thankful that I have been able to make some peace with my hair finally. So that has been a real journey. I just think that we are all really blessed if we stop and think about it. Thank you for listening.